the lecture. Today we are going to discuss about inventory control with price break examples. In previous lecture we discussed about inventory model description and applications. Those are we discussed in previous class. Now coming to today's class, here we are going to discuss about inventory control with a price break example. Okay, here I taken one EOQ, inventory order, economic order quantity model with one price break I taken here. Suppose the following price discount is scheduled, is quoted by a supplier in which a price break occurs at quantity B1. This means here, for example, we are going to supply a products. The product name is Q1. Okay, and we are going to give the quantity. That quantity is B1. Here the consumer is the customer will take these products by a discount factor, by a discount quantity. Here the price of the unit is C1 here. Here now we are going to find the optimum quantity or optimum discount rate of this product we are going to calculate. Here it is a single piece break, one piece break. Here the discount quantity is B1. Okay, the actual quantity is Q2. Here it is B1 is the order. It is the order from the customer, and it is the original supply we have, or virtual quantity we have. So from this we are going to calculate the optimal purchase quantity by taking the procedure. Okay. Here, this is the procedure for calculating the optimum quantity with a one piece break. An example. First, coming to the step 1. Here we have to consider the lowest price, that is C2. In our table we have the two costs, one is the C1 and C2. Here we see C1 and C2 is there. Here C2 is the lowest cost and C1 is the highest cost. In this lowest cost, we are going to determine the Q2 by using the basic inventory economic order quantity formula. Here we are when the price is low, the customers are asking about the price. When they have the comfortable price, they give the more order, they give the more quantity of orders. Example, we are going to purchase the items within online. There they are giving some discounts. Purchase they are given. It means they are given the festival sales. At the time, the more customers, they are going to purchase the items from the market. Because of they offer the consumer offers the discount, they offers the price breaks. Okay. Here, if suppose coming to the consider the lowest price break. Now, at the time of calculating the lowest price break, we have to calculate the Q2 value. Okay. Here, the Q2 is we are going to calculate by the help of the formula 2D C naught by C2R. Okay. Here the Q2 lies in the prescribed range, that is B1 greater than or equal to Q2. It is already we seen in the table. Okay, here we seen Q2 is less than or equal to B1, and the optimal cost TC, we are going to denote the optimal cost, total optimal cost with help of the TC associated with the Q2 dash. Here what is the Q2? Q2 is prescribed the range at the lowest price. Okay, is calculated as follows. Here we are calculating for the lowest price. It means it is available at Q2. That is economic order quantity 2. The economic order quantity 1 is Q1, and here we are taking the Q2. So we are going to calculate the total optimal cost for the TC2. Here we are going to take DC2, D, B1, C0, B1, 2, C2, R. Okay. Here we know the D, already in previous classes we discussed about this, and that is the order supply we have, and here C2 is the cost and B1 is the quantity, discount quantity they are asking. Okay, here these are the price breaks we have taken. Here if Q2 is not equal to is not equal to or more than B1, if suppose Q2 is not equal to this condition, if it not satisfies, we are going to the first one, that is the Q1 we are going to calculate, okay, with price C1, and the corresponding total cost we are going to calculate TC at Q1 as. Here, if it doesn't satisfy, we are going to calculate the Q1 value from this based on the highest price. Okay. Here we are going to calculate the Q1 is with the total optimal cost TC is calculated. TC in place instead of Q2 we are going to take the B1. Okay. Instead of Q2 we are going to take the Q1. Okay. Here Q is called as the economic order quantity and B1 is called as the order discount quantity. Okay, here I am going to explain that that example with an annual demand example. Here we have the annual demand of products is 10,000 units. Okay, each unit cost is ₹100. If the orders are placed in quantities below 200 units, okay, below 200 units, for the orders of above 200 or 200, however the price is ₹95, the annual inventory holding cost is 10% of the value of the item and the ordering cost is ₹5 for order. Find the economic lot size. Okay, here they are given, this is our problem. Here in that problem, the given data, that is annual demand, they are given D is equal to annual demand. D is equal to, they are given, that is 10,000 units per year. Next, coming to the second one, here they are given, if the orders are placed in the quantities below 200 units, quantities are below 200 units. Here we are going to describe, or we are going to take that value is called as EOQ value. Here the EOQ value is less than or equal to 200, they are given. Okay, next, for order is 200 or above. Sometimes they are given order is 200 or above. Okay, they are given. Here for orders 200 above, however the price is ₹95. Annual price is 95 for the this case 95 they are given annual cost, and for this case 200 case they are given the 100. Okay, and next the annual inventory holding cost, that is C naught R they are given. R is equal to annual holding cost 10% they are given. Then the items and the ordering cost is C naught they are given 5. Okay. Now they are going to we are going to calculate the economic lot size as per the problem. Here first of all what we have to do? First of all we have to take the table. Table already we discussed. The table is here we are going to take the table. The price break we are taken. And the cost we are going to price break quantity we are taken here, and here price per unit we are taken. Okay, here they are given price, it means the quantity they are given, that is the quantities are below 200. Here already we discussed about the table. Here the quantities are 0 less than or equal to Q1 less than or equal to B1 as per our table, that is the initial cost. Here we are going to take the C1. Next, coming to the second one, B1 less than or equal to Q2, that is C2. Here as per this table we are going to write this problem. Here the quantity 0 less than or equal to Q1 less than or equal to 200. Why? Because they are given the placed in quantities below 200. So I taken less than or equal to 200, and price per unit. For this the unit price is given. This is 100. Okay, here I taken 100. Next, second one is in second line they mentioned for order 200 and above. According to this, here B1 is 200 quantity and Q2 we have taken. The price per unit is 95 they are given. Now we are going to calculate the economic lot size. Here we are going to calculate the economic lot size. Q star equal to 2D C naught by R. here Q is equal to 2D C0 by C2. Here we know the D value, that is the annual cost they are given. That is annual cost D is equal to, as per our problem, 10,000 they are given. Okay, next, and the C0 value they are given. Here the C0 value is here. The C0 value is 5 for order. Okay, 5 for order they are given, and C2 value is, C2 value means here in our table we have the C2 value. Here first we are calculating the lowest price. First we are calculating for lowest price. Here the lowest price unit is 95. So I am going to take C2 is 95. Next, R value. Here R also they are given in our problem. Here the R value is 10% of price. So we are going to convert this 10 price percentage is equal to price of an item, that is 0.10 rupees we get. Okay, R is equal to 0.10. Now I am going to calculate the optimum order quantity. Optimum order quantity Q2 is equal to 2D C0 by C2R. Here we know the D value, C0 value, C2 value, R value. We are going to substitute those values in this equation. After substituting, we get the Q2 value. Q2 is 103 units approximately. Okay, since Q2 is less than the prescribed range. Okay, so here coming to the Q2, here the quantity, what is the quantity? Less than or equal to 200, the price is 95. As per the calculations, we get 103 units. Okay, here it is less than the prescribed range, 200 for discount. Therefore, calculating Q1. Now we are going to calculate the Q1 value by using the same formula. But here we are going to change the C1 value. 2D C0 C1 R. Here the C1 is as per the table. The C1 value is this 100. Okay. C1 is equal to 100. We are going to substitute here in this. Then here we get the 100 units. So computing and comparing these two Q1 and Q2. Q1 and Q2 with help of order quantity B1. So here the Q1 is what is the Q1? 100 units, and at the Q1 what the quantity is, order quantity is 200 is there. So we are going to calculate the optimal cost TC Q1 equal to 100, that is DC1 plus D by Q1 into C0, Q1 by 2 C1 into R we are going to calculate. As per this formula, we get the optimal cost rupees 1,01,000, not 1 lakh, sorry, 10,01,000 rupees we get from this. Then we are going to calculate the DC value, B1 equal to 200, and here we are going to calculate the, as per the second value, DC2 plus DB C0 B by 2 plus C2 into R. From this we get value is 10 lakh 1 rupee 250. From these calculations, since TC Q1 is less than TCB, okay, here we are going to compare these two. So finally we are going to take the optimal order quantity is Q star equal to 100. This is the optimal order quantity we receive from the customers. Here total we have 200 units. As per cost, we are going to sell the 100 products. Okay. Then next example, EOQ model with 2-piece brake, 2-piece brake. Here we are going to take the discount schedule is quoted by a supplier in which a price break. Okay. Here it occurs at quantity B1 and B2. This means here we are going to take in previous we have only one price break, but here we have a 2-piece break. That is 2 price break we have. That is here the order quantity is 0 less than or equal to Q1 less than or equal to P1. It belongs to the price is highest price, that is C1. Next one is B1, Q2, B2. Here we have the two order quantities, two discount order quantities at medium cost. And the third one is B2 less than or equal to Q3. It is the lowest price, that is C3. Okay, here notice that when here we are comparing, C3 is the least value compared to the C1. Okay, and C2 is the medium value. The optimal purchase quantity can be determined by using the following procedure. Okay, here the step 1, consider the lowest price, that is C3, and determine Q3 by using the basic EOQ formula. The basic EOQ formula is, we know that basic EOQ formula is equal to, already we discussed in previous case, 2DC naught by C or C to 3R. Okay. Here, if suppose here from this we are going to calculate Q3, that is Q3 equal to this. If suppose Q3 is greater than or equal to B2, that is Q3 is greater than or equal to B2, then we are going to calculate the EOQ and the optimal cost TC we are going to calculate. Otherwise, we are going to the next step. Otherwise, if Q3 is less than or equal to B2, we are going to the step 2. Calculate Q2 based on the price C2. Same, we are going to calculate the Q2 with help of C2 price, that is 2DC naught by C2R we are going to calculate. Okay, next compare Q2 with the B1. If suppose the B1 is less than or equal to Q2, okay, or Q2 is less than B2, then compare to, we are going to calculate TC, total cost we are going to calculate of Q2 and TC B2 we are going to comparing and computing. If suppose if doesn't, if TC Q2 and TC B2 is greater than, then EOQ B2 is equal to B2. Otherwise, we are going to calculate EOQ is, if suppose the EOQ value is equal to B2 or the EOQ value is equal to Q2 star, then we are going to simply we are going to stop the problem and we are going to computing the values. Then if suppose if the Q3 is less than B1, we are going to the step 3. In the step 3 again we are going to calculate the EOQ based on the cost C1, that is EOQ is equal to 2 DC by C0 by C1, or as for from this formula we are going to calculate the EOQ value. Then after we are going to compute the TCB2 and TCQ1 we are going to calculate and computing. Then after that we are going to calculate the lowest price. Okay. Here I am going to explain that procedure with an example. Here we are taking an example, that is the shopkeeper estimates the annual requirements of an items, that is 2000 units. He buys it from his supplier at a cost of 10 per item, and the cost of ordering is 50 each his order. If the stock holding costs are rupees 25%, year of stock value, how frequently should be he replenish his stocks? Next, further suppose the supplier offers 10% discount on orders between 400 to 699 items and 20% discount on orders exceeding order equal to 700. Can the shopkeeper reduce his costs by taking advantage of either of these discounts? Okay, here from the data of the problem we have annual requirement. Here what is the concept? Here the shopkeeper is going to buy the products for his shop. Okay, if suppose shopkeeper means he always thinking about the products, he is going to buy with a low price, then thereafter he is going to sell the products with a good price, okay, with a profitable price. Okay, as for the given data, the customer or the seller requires 2000 units, or the shopkeeper requires 2000 units, that is called as D. D is equal to 2000 units per year. He is going to buy 2000 products per year. Okay, after that he is going to consider the supplier discount factor he is going to consider. Okay, here the supplier or stock holding costs are 25% for year of stock value. Okay, here stock holding percentages are 25% or 0.25. Okay, next, then the C value. Here C equal to 10% for item. C equal to 10% for item. Here suppose the supplier offers 10% discount on orders between 400 to 699. That is 10%. And here he is going to his supplier is at cost of 10% 10 per item, and the cost of ordering is 50. Here he buys it from his supplier at a cost of 10. He is going to purchase his items with 10 rupees, and the cost of ordering C0 is rupees 50 for order. Okay, his CH is, it means CH equal to the annual purchase cost is equal to C into R, that is 10 into 0.25. Each product cost is 2.5 rupees. Okay, here we are going to calculate when no discount is offered, the optimal order quantity is given by, that is EOQ at price EOQ, that is we are going to indicate Q star, that is equal to 2B C0 by CH. Here in previous case in at single price example, single price break, we taken this is an CN into R we have taken. Here we take CH equal to C into R. Okay. Here in that in previous example we have taken the cost values C1, C2, but here we have the cost values are different, C1, C2, C3. So as for this we are going to take the C value. Already C value they are given in our problem. That's the reason I am going to take the CH equal to C into R. C value they are given 10 rupees per order. They are given. Okay. From this we are going to calculate the Q value, that is economical order quantity. Economical order quantity is 283 units. They are going to give. Also the number of orders per year is given by N. Number of orders means N. We are going to take N equal to D by D star. From this formula we are going to calculate the number of orders per year is given by, we are going to calculate. Okay, that is D value we know already 2000, and here D star, it is a Q star we are taken as for our requirement, as for our problem. Q star we are going to take D by Q star equal to 2000 by 283, that is 7 orders. Next, the total inventory cost for Q star is 283 becomes, and here the optimal cost is TC equal to, we are going to calculate D into C, D by Q star into C0, Q star to CH. Here we know the D value, that is 2000, and C value also we know, that is C equal to, we are going to calculate 10 into 2.5, that is 2.5 rupees. Okay, plus here the D by Q star already we calculated 7 by C0 value. C0 already as per order they are given C0 equal to 50. Okay. Here Q star is calculated 283 by 2 into 2.5. Here CH value is 2.5. That is CH means C into R. Okay. From this we get TC equal to rupees 20,707.10 paisa. This is we obtained the value. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you.